Okay, folks, welcome back from our practice section. Let's see how far we get. Gonna start off with the 6336. Let's try and knock out all those numbers and see if we get it all tall or short. 7, we'll count that. Buttons are off. 'Same set, same style. Okay, 7 again. We'll count that. Buttons are off. 'This is a low toss with a fast rotation. 5, 1, 3. Okay, 5's the point. Alright, let's get away from that. The table's telling us if we keep using it, we're going to hit 7, so we're going to do the 4-2-2-4 set. 8, okay, 6-2. It's good. Hits its target. It's a 6 and 8 set, and it hit an 8, so that worked out well. Okay, 10, 4, 6. Five, 1, 4, okay, point made. Sorry for the time. Okay, and use the 6-3-3-6 set because table's going to tell us it wants to give us a 7 if we use that set, so we got to avoid that. 6, 5, 1. 6 is the point. Good landing. Stick that landing. Very little rebound. So. Same set. 8 again. Worked out pretty good. 5, 3. 11, 6, 5. We're at 7. 9, 6, 1. 6, 3, 9. It almost gave us a 6, 1, 7. So the table is telling us you got away this time, but not next time. So we're going to change it. We're going to go with the 3V. We can go 3, 6, 3, 2. 5, 4, 1. It almost gave us a 7 again. So we're going to stay away from that set as well. We're going to go with the 6, 4, 5, 6. This is designed for all 12 numbers. 4. We don't have a high SOR for this one, so we're gonna try to populate it as much as we can. Okay, 1, 1, 2. That's good. Got one of the hottest numbers out of the way. Eight, 6, 2. A little high there. Going back to the 4, 2, 2, 4. Nine, 6, 3. Four, 2, 2, 4. 5, 2, 3. 5, 1, 4. 'Gonna change set again. We're gonna go with the 2, 1, 6, 2. Try and knock out those outside numbers. 9, 4, 5. 7 out. 18 row. We out at the 19 row. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. The 2, 7 that we hit earlier. Only made 1 point. Not bad. 18 row. All right. Keep the video short and we'll restart another section.